Oh, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the box model. So in this entire lesson, which spans about, I think it's 10, no, not 10, I think it's more. I believe it's 15 videos, 14 or 15 videos. But we covered the 4 properties of the box model: the height, the width, the padding, borders, and the margins. Understanding the box model is an important step towards learning more advanced HTML and CSS topics. Let's take a minute to review everything that we've learned thus far. So the box model comprises a set of properties used to create space around and between HTML elements. The height and width of a content area can be set in pixels or percentages. Borders surround the content area, and padding of an element. The color, style, and thickness of a border can be set with CSS properties. Padding is the space between the content area and the border. It can be set in pixels or percent. Margin is the amount of spacing outside of the border. The horizontal margins add, so the total space between the borders of an adjacent element is equal to the sum of the right of one element and the left margin of the adjacent element. Vertical margins collapse, so the space between vertically adjacent elements is equal to the larger margin. Margin zero auto horizontally centers an element inside of its parent content area if it has a width. The overflow property can be set to display, hidden, or scroll, and dictates how HTML will render content that overflows its parent's content area. The visibility property can hide or show elements. So again, we can make some adjustments with the code, but that's going to be it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.